Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this recipe to make a seafood to the garlic mojo that will love them, and that apart from everything is very simple to prepare, and is not very expensive to do. The seafood, get it in the fishing area of the supermarkets, or in the Samso Costco. They already sell it in a bag with everything: shrimp, oyster, axe callus, etc. Let's see what we will need. We are going to need first of all the seafood, garlic, that in this case I already have it, the one they sell chopped, and are 3 teaspoons. And if they are not 2 complete garlic heads, not 2 teeth, the 2 complete heads. A cup of olive oil cup, and if they don't have they can use vegetable oil, and will not have any problem. The plate will be a bit heavy. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, that is what will make the flavor of garlic look well. But anyway, reserve more because we may need it. A bar of the butter, or 90 grams of these if they have a larger, and finally about 4 black pepper that can also pour them, because the blender does not dissolve them, and it is very annoying that we touch the complete pepper, but that's all we will use. Let's see how it is done. We put the oil or olive, the 2 tablespoons of the vinegar at the moment, since we need a little more. We throw half of the butter bar, and the rest we reserve it to finish cooking in the pan. Then we put the garlic that we already had previously chopped, and finally we put the peppers, either complete or powdered, and we grind everything until it is done like a paste. If we see that the pasta is very thick, we can throw a little more vinegar until a softer texture is. Since all the ingredients are well, you must stay a paste more or less as shown on the screen. And that is what we will use to season the seafood. I personally like to chop the seafood ingredients in order to eat them with cookies, or combine it with rice or pasta, but that is already to your liking, and how they want to do it. Of course, this will not affect the preparation at all. We take a pan that is a little deep, and take the paste that we go before to put it in this. We put it over medium heat, and season with salt to taste, and fry it 3 to 5 minutes, or when they see how it starts boiling, and becomes a little more liquid. Since we have stirred it for a couple of minutes, we proceed to throw all the seafood, or the pure shrimp, octopus, or what you want to prepare, in that garlic paste. We spread the whole mixture so that everything is impregnated well, and we put the rest of the butter either in pieces, as seen in the video, or put it complete, and cover so that this is melt. And we only keep moving from time to time to see that the pieces of shrimp, octopus, fish and other ingredients are placed pink. Since they see it as this pink color, and that it has already evaporated part of the liquid, it is already ready and can serve it at that moment. I like to let it brown a little more, but some say that seafood get a little hard. But personally it has never happened to me, since the pasta makes them tender and very rich. But that is already left to him. As they see, this is how it is already placed. In this case we serve it with a little butter paste and some slices of brown baguette, but they can serve it with combined rice, in the pasta, or simply only with some cookies and a little lemon, and believe me that you will love. And it is not difficult, and buying the seafood is not so expensive, and yields a lot, and more if it is served with something else. And as I always tell you, these are recipes that you can improve, and if so, I would love to read it in the comments. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, like the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very much utility. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they liked and prepare this recipe. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.